I keep running into him everywhere I go. Last time I saw you was at Dana Point. Seen you around.
Yes. Good to see you.
Likewise, bro. Good to see you. Sorry, I'm using my right hand for the camera.
Watch your stuff on TV. I mean, on YouTube.
Oh, thank you. Well, you're going to be on YouTube again.
Give me a little shout out at the Dana Point one.
Oh, absolutely, man. You did pretty well there, didn't you?
No, I'll get back with you on that. I'll tell you what happened on that one.
Oh, really? So, yeah, let's take a look at Troy's motor here. He's a good guy. Got a gorgeous, gorgeous cab here. Look at this here. Just beautiful.
All right, let me call you right back.
So anyway, this is Troy's double cab here. This thing wins People's Choice Award. Everywhere he goes, he just cleans up. And like the rest of us, he's getting out here in the sprinkles. But look at this interior here. Just insane. Oh my God. It's Tony, not Troy. Jesus Christ. I feel horrible. I had to say something. But dude, you've got the baddest bus, and I just got a great story about your double cab here. He could not win Dana Point again because he's won it every time for like the last 4 years, right?
Yes.
That's crazy. And I know you got a matching coffee cup and sweatshirt.
Yes.
You're tied. You're fully tied
matching
together. Look at this. But there you go. This is Tony's insane double cab that everywhere he goes, he just takes it home, and poor guy's getting blacklisted.
It's fun.
We're continuing on with our Volkswagen coverage, and we have a Volkswagen 6521 window, all electric. What a shame. But hey, if you're into it, I guess you're into it. What do the battery packs look like on this thing? Oh, we'll get to actually see. It's the clean air access vehicle. And there you go. There's the abomination right there inside and ready to go. It's lit. Oh yeah, he's got some sort of cooling, or I'm not sure what that coolant cylinder's for, but it's bubbling. It looks very mad scientist looking. But yeah, I've seen a few of these, and this is one of them. There you go. 21 window, all electric, 65.
And you know, my favorite
Trippy. You would never guess in a million years it's freaking electric. Should have a gearbox on it too, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, it's continuous. Must feel like a CVT in it. So much room inside here. Almost Westy setup. Very cool. Got a VW dealer here. That's the standard passenger. This is more what we had when I was a kid. We had a 63 micro. Nice example overall. It's not a 21 window or anything. Oh, it is a 63. This is exactly like the bus we had. My parents and my sister and I, we all got into an accident in this thing, and it did not have the center seats in it. We were sitting in the very back seat. So we're sitting in this back seat here, and we flew all the way. Well, it used to be metal in the back, but we flew all the way in the back of the front seats, and my parents were in a head-on collision on this thing. But this was our bus right here at one time. Let's see if he's running the stock motor in it. I believe this guy's a dealer because he's got a few buses listed on the side here. Yep, single port. It's probably like a 1300, maybe a little bigger. There you go. Volkswagen's in the house. Pretty slider rag here. 58 VW. So this is going to be the first year of the square back window. And next to last year, the glass taillights. Mine's a 60. But this is just stock as stock can go. Love his rack. Oh, nice boom box.
Hi, how are you?
Great, how's it going?
Fantastic.
Loving it. First year of the square window.
Yeah.
58, I have a 60.
Yeah?
So yeah. And then we only have the taillights for 2 more years before they go to plastics.
Right.
Yep. Very cool.
Thank you.
1200 or?
No, it's got a 1600 dual port in it.
Oh, good. Yeah, you know, I wouldn't even hesitate. This is very cool. VW powered. It is a Manx. It is a Manxster. Super rare. You don't see a lot of Manxsters floating around. It's a 1969. This is one that Bruce did as a special build. It was supposed to be a street Manx. He's got shoulder belts added to it. But yeah, this was kind of a special project that Bruce did, and not a lot of them around. There's not a ton of these. As we know, Volkswagen powered. So he's running what, dual 40s on here, or has he got Cadrones? Can't quite tell. But yeah, this is an original Manxter, and it's got elephant foot tail lights. So that's interesting because of the fact that if this was a 69, those tail lights didn't exist until 73. Porsche 356 row here. 356 Club out of Southern California. Chick Iverson plated. And these are the Super 90 motors. 62. And this is the predecessor to the 911. We got a bathtub right here, and these look like original cars, and they are. There's a Super 90 motor right there. This is the car that this is the engine a lot of us wanted when we were kids for our Volkswagens. Looks like he's got some fresh Webers on it, but yeah, it is the Super 90. He's got a historical vehicle designation. That might turn into trouble for you here. Before you know it, my friend, laws are changing fast. Oxblood red interior, beautiful Hearts canvas top. Overall, just a great car. Loving the fact it's got the shifter pattern right here. That's awesome. Well, now you told them how to steal it. Come on, guys.
What don't they